Hello friends, today we are going to do the unboxing of Realme 8i mobile. This phone I have ordered from Flipkart. Today I have received my order, so let's do its unboxing. The phone comes in a very nice packaging with Realme 8i badging. This is its product ID. This contains one handset, one charger, one USB data cable, SIM ejector tool, safety guide, quick guide, and a transparent protective case. This phone comes with Helio G96 processor, 120Hz ultra smooth display, 6.59-inch display, 5000 mAh massive battery, 50 megapixel AI triple camera, 18-watt fast charge, ultra fast side fingerprint. This is its transparent case. It's a very smooth finish. Let's keep it aside and open the phone. The phone gives a very nice feeling in the hands. It's a very nice finish. It's a space purple color, 6GB RAM, 128GB memory. Let's switch it on. I will do all the configurations later. It's a very fast phone. This is Type-C charger. It's data cable. That's it. Thanks for watching, guys.